paddling it in. After our hard work, yeah, we're doing double pauses, hands away, body over, to make sure we're staying long and separate out of bow. Good, that's longer, Ashley. Excellent. Yeah, so a little extra reach for more, I think. Oh, see, yeah. So that's really good, Joanne, but make sure you're doing that on the continuous too. Yeah, so really feeling that pause position every stroke. It's really nice on the pause, Joanne, but on the continuous, your knees are coming up a little earlier. So make sure you really get all that reach before the knees come up and then not reach for more. Good, yeah. Inside shoulders are all down. Outside elbows are up. Yeah, suspend. Try to get light on the seat as you stand up at the catch. Hello, friend. Are you staying to our side? Alright, here we go. We're centered. Doris leaning away a little bit. Margie leaning away a little bit. Maybe Joanne leaning away a little bit. There you go. She's back. We're back. Everybody leaning away a little bit. All right, to varying degrees, we're all leaning away a little bit in the 29.